The AeroNova 500 International Hybrid Magnetic High-Speed Train 2026 Global Launch Edition represents the most ambitious transportation project of the modern era, a fusion of aerospace-grade engineering, environmental consciousness, and next-generation luxury. Designed collaboratively by an international consortium of engineers from Japan, Germany, South Korea, and the United Kingdom, the AeroNova 500 is more than a train. It is a symbol of human innovation moving beyond traditional rail technology. Its very name, AeroNova, meaning new air, reflects its philosophy of bringing air-like freedom to ground transportation, where speed, silence, and sustainability merge seamlessly. This 2026 edition marks the first truly global hybrid magnetic high-speed train, capable of running on both magnetic levitation tracks and adaptive rail infrastructure, making it suitable for multi-continental travel and intercity integration like never before. From the moment one encounters the AeroNova 500 in the white English luxury showroom, its aesthetic presence commands attention. The exterior body gleams in a pearl white and silver metallic finish, engineered from graphene-infused titanium alloy for extreme strength and lightness. Every curve is aerodynamically sculpted through wind tunnel simulations exceeding 1,000 hours, minimizing drag and turbulence. The signature AeroNova halo lights, a continuous blue LED band running along the sides, serve not just as a design accent but as a dynamic energy status indicator, glowing brighter as magnetic propulsion intensifies. The front nose cone resembles the shape of a supersonic aircraft, narrowing into a perfect aerodynamic profile that cuts through the air at over 500 km per hour. The designers intentionally avoided hard edges, adopting what they call fluid wave aesthetics, ensuring smooth airflow and reduced acoustic footprint. Standing in front of it feels less like facing a train and more like gazing upon a futuristic aircraft grounded in steel and light. Inside, the AeroNova 500 completely redefines what luxury means in rail travel. The interior cabin is inspired by the tranquil minimalism of Scandinavian design fused with British craftsmanship. Soft white leather seats with subtle blue accent stitching recline automatically to adapt to passenger posture. Panoramic glass ceilings, coated with adaptive smart tint layers, can transition from transparent to shaded based on light intensity, giving travelers an uninterrupted view of the sky and landscape while maintaining temperature comfort. Embedded holographic displays project real-time route data, speed, environmental efficiency statistics, and even personal digital assistants that respond to voice commands. The interior lighting system, called Aero Glow 360, dynamically adjusts color temperatures throughout the journey to synchronize with circadian rhythms, reducing fatigue and jet lag effects during long-distance travel. In every sense, the AeroNova 500 cabin feels like a fusion of a first-class aircraft, a luxury lounge, and a cutting-edge digital habitat. At the heart of the train's engineering brilliance lies its Hybrid Magnetic Propulsion System (HMPS), a unique technology that merges electromagnetic levitation (maglev) with high-efficiency adaptive wheel drive. At low speeds, the train operates on precision-controlled carbon fiber wheels, ensuring compatibility with existing infrastructure. Once acceleration exceeds 150 km per hour, the superconducting magnets engage, lifting the train a few centimeters above the track, virtually eliminating friction and noise. This hybrid configuration allows seamless transition between conventional rails and maglev guideways, enabling international operation across continents where full maglev infrastructure does not yet exist. The propulsion magnets are cooled by a cryogenic liquid nitrogen system, reducing energy waste while ensuring constant superconductivity. Engineers claim the AeroNova 500 achieves energy savings of up to 35% compared to earlier maglev systems, with near-zero direct emissions when powered through renewable electricity grids. The powertrain of the AeroNova 500 is an engineering marvel on its own. The quantum flux turbine generator, located in the rear section, captures excess magnetic energy and reconverts it into electrical reserves through regenerative induction. This means every deceleration, curve, or braking event feeds power back into the system, significantly increasing range efficiency. In hybrid mode, the train's intelligent AI control unit, known as Aero Mind Core, constantly calculates the optimal balance between magnetic thrust, air drag, passenger weight, and terrain gradient to maintain perfect energy harmony. The result is a silent glide at astonishing speeds, where passengers feel no vibration, only the sense of smooth, effortless forward motion. Noise levels inside the cabin remain below 60 decibels, making conversation and work as comfortable as in a private office. Even the ventilation system uses ionized airflow rather than fans, contributing to an almost meditative quietness. Beyond speed and comfort, sustainability defines the AeroNova 500 philosophy. Every material used is either recyclable or ethically sourced. The external shell employs bio-ceramic coating that resists corrosion and self-heals minor scratches. Solar nanocells embedded into the roof harvest supplementary energy during daylight, powering onboard systems like lighting and climate control. The entire manufacturing process is carbon neutral, thanks to energy-positive assembly plants that recycle 98% of water and waste materials. The train's life cycle emissions per passenger are 70% lower than those of a commercial airplane covering equivalent distances, placing AeroNova 500 among the world's cleanest intercity travel systems. The manufacturing and assembly process is a spectacle of precision automation and human craftsmanship. Inside the advanced production facility, nicknamed the White Forge, robotic arms delicately install superconducting magnets, align the carbon fiber shells, and apply micro-laser bonding to seal structural seams without the need for bolts or rivets. Engineers in white suits monitor each stage through augmented reality headsets, inspecting molecular-level tolerances. Every AeroNova 500 unit undergoes a 1,200-point diagnostic test, simulating more than 5 million kilometers of virtual travel before physical deployment. Watching one being assembled feels like witnessing the birth of a spacecraft rather than a train, a harmony of light, technology, and precision. Safety is another domain where AeroNova 500 sets unprecedented standards. The train's neural safety matrix uses AI-powered sensors distributed across the body to monitor temperature, stress, vibration, and magnetic field stability in real time. In case of any anomaly, the system can auto-stabilize or safely reduce levitation height to wheel mode instantly, preventing derailment or system failure. The passenger module structure follows a floating capsule principle, where cabins are suspended within a vibration-absorbing gel layer, drastically improving crash resilience and comfort. Emergency systems operate autonomously, guiding passengers through illuminated floor paths and multilingual voice assistance if required. In trials, the AeroNova 500 demonstrated a safety index 5 times higher than conventional bullet trains. Globally, the 2026 launch edition is intended as a unifying project across nations. Its modular compatibility allows connection between Japan's maglev corridors, China's high-speed rail network, Europe's cross-border lines, and planned African transcontinental routes. The train's AI system automatically configures communication protocols, voltage standards, and levitation calibrations depending on the track network it enters, essentially making it the first smart adaptive global train. The inaugural demonstration is scheduled in London's newly built Whitehall Transport Dome, where world leaders, engineers, and the public will witness the first official global presentation of the AeroNova 500 in its radiant white-silver color. The event will not just unveil a new train, it will symbolize the world's commitment to clean, interconnected mobility. Perhaps the most compelling feature, however, is the human experience it delivers. Passengers aboard the AeroNova 500 often describe the feeling as gliding through silence. The absence of wheel contact, the ambient hum of magnetic flow, and the smooth transition between cities create an atmosphere of calm that no airplane or conventional train can replicate. Large digital windows display augmented landscapes, overlaying real-world views with data such as distance, air purity, and cultural information of upcoming destinations. Business travelers can turn their seats into private workstations, while families enjoy entertainment pods with panoramic 3D projection. The entire environment feels intuitive, designed to respond to touch, voice, and even biometric recognition for security and comfort personalization. In essence, the AeroNova 500 is not simply a vehicle, it is a milestone in humankind's pursuit of intelligent mobility. It blurs the line between rail, air, and space engineering, delivering unprecedented performance with responsibility to the planet. As nations unite under the vision of sustainable progress, the AeroNova 500 stands as a beacon of what collaboration, innovation, and purpose can achieve. When the first unit officially launches in 2026, the world will not just witness a new train, it will witness the birth of a new transportation era, where technology moves at the speed of imagination, and every journey becomes a masterpiece of design, comfort, and consciousness. The legacy of the AeroNova 500 International Hybrid Magnetic High-Speed Train extends far beyond its engineering brilliance. It marks the beginning of a transportation philosophy that values global connection, ecological balance, and aesthetic excellence equally. Following its 2026 global debut, multiple countries have already expressed interest in adopting customized regional variants, such as the AeroNova 500R Rapid Continental Edition for Europe and the AeroNova 500X Extended Range Edition for Trans-Asian routes. Engineers are developing an AI-assisted scheduling network called Aero Grid, designed to synchronize departure times, magnetic field loads, and renewable energy usage across continents. This system ensures that every AeroNova unit in operation becomes part of a self-balancing ecosystem, reducing energy waste and improving travel coordination between nations. Beyond technology, the AeroNova 500 has become a cultural icon, featured in global exhibitions, cinematic documentaries, and sustainability summits as a symbol of human ingenuity. Its combination of grace and intelligence has inspired artists, architects, and designers to rethink how transportation spaces can also serve as expressions of art. The design philosophy known as motion minimalism, first applied to the AeroNova's interior and exterior shapes, has influenced future aircraft, marine vehicles, and even urban architecture. In education, universities now include AeroNova 500 systems as case studies for interdisciplinary innovation, bridging mechanical engineering, artificial intelligence, environmental science, and industrial design. As the 2030s approach, the AeroNova 500 is expected to evolve into fully autonomous operation, powered entirely by clean energy and managed by cloud-based AI systems. It will continue to redefine mobility not merely as a means of reaching destinations faster but as a profound expression of how humanity can move forward, gracefully, intelligently, and in harmony with the planet.